This year, I thought about taking my vacation in Thailand. Wow, the view is amazing. I can totally picture myself staying at this hotel. This is the kind of holiday I've been waiting for. Better check on safety first. Turns out there are only about 1,800 tourist police officers in a country that welcomes the most visitors in the world. That doesn't sound so safe. Maybe I should rethink this trip.
Do not turn off your computer. Let's take a look at this. Your first friends. Here we have the tourist police volunteers. Providing assistances and safety for tourists. They are not different from police officers that take care of us in every place and that pay attention to every detail. The tourist police volunteers are both Thai and foreign. There are more than 2,000 foreigners from 34 countries to communicate the same languages with the same nationalities of tourists. You can trust them and enjoy your trip 24 hours.
Hello, mister. Are you okay? You okay? You are hurt? Calm down, calm down. We are police. We help you. We will help you. Italian. Sit.
Sì, sono italiano come te, lavoro per la polizia thailandese. Non ti preoccupare, stai tranquillo, qua siamo qua per aiutarti, ok?
You can even leave your life in their hands. They would keep an eye on all risk events.
No victims are found. Use the thermal drone to search for the victims urgently.
Copy that.
Besides, we also operate air security police tours that can reach all kinds of risk areas.
Tours have been found. Drone is heading to the scene.
Calm down, please. Do not panic. The tourist police officers are coming.
So you do not need to worry. Even if the tourist police officers cannot see it with their eyes, they have reinforcement to take care of all tourists. All tourist police volunteers do not get paid. They also cannot enforce the laws as those police officers. Moreover, they are required to take intensive theoretical and practical trainings. Every 2 years, tourist police volunteers would be retested. So wherever and whenever you travel around Thailand, tourist police officers are always with you. So why are you waiting for? Book your flight and fly to Thailand now. Welcome to Thailand.